Hey, welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. Today we're going to go over our rental scooters and our rental fleet that we offer here at Sherman Oaks Medical, starting with our most popular travel mobility scooter rental. This here is our travel mobility scooter rental by Pride. This is their GoGo Sport model. So if we come take a look, super simple and easy to use. We have an on and off. Your rental would come with 2 keys. You have your speed dial here of a max speed of about 4 miles per hour and a slow setting of about half a mile per hour. Our right lever is going to take us forward. Left lever is going to take us reverse. We have flip up arms, a 360 rotating seat that locks in different positions for transferring, a knob adjustable tiller, big front basket, and it also comes with a charger. The battery life on this is going to be good for up to about 10 miles, and it has a max weight capacity of about 300 pounds. The next thing I wanted to go over was the disassembly for the GoGo Sport. So the first thing we're going to start with is going to be the seat. So that's going to fold down, and we're going to lift it straight up. There's no release or latch. The next thing is going to be the battery. It's just Velcro, so we're just going to lift that up and off. Our basket has a little pull tab, so we're going to hold that pull tab back, lift up and off. Then we're going to come down here to the knob. We're going to rotate that, bring it down, tighten it back up. And the final piece is the latch here. So we're going to raise that latch up, lift up and off. So in total, we have about 5 pieces. We have a basket that weighs about 5 pounds, a battery pack that weighs about 25 pounds. The rear base of the scooter is about 40 pounds. Our seat is about 20 pounds. And our front base on the 3-wheel is going to be about 35. On the 4-wheel, it's going to be close to about 48 pounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and show how to reassemble the scooter. So the hardest part is going to be attaching the front base to the rear base. So the trick to this is you don't want it to be leaning forward. You want to lean it back. You're going to see there's 2 green lines here and 2 green lines here on the scooter's front base. So what you're going to do is leave this piece as it is. Make sure, again, it's leaning back. You're going to grab this piece here with 2 hands, put the green over the green, and it's going to click into place. You want to make sure it clicks into place on its own. You do not want to force it and damage the scooter. Then we're going to go ahead and lift the tiller up. Put our battery pack back on. Put the seat right back on. And then the basket just slides back on as well. Thank you guys for tuning into our video on the travel mobility scooter rental we offer here at Sherman Oaks Medical. We rent to the entire LA County area. If you wanted to make a reservation, please give us a call at 818-981-9906 or visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com.